everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Where Winds Meet on PC. If you have no audio, low volume, or the game is completely silent, try these solutions one by one. They work for most players. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open it. Click on Hardware and Sound, then click Sound. In the list, make sure your speakers or headphones are selected as the default device. Just select your device and click Set Default. Now launch the game again and check the audio. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and choose Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level or muted. Adjust it if needed, then click OK. Solution 3. Inside the same Device Properties window, open the Advanced tab. Set the sample rate to either 48,000 Hz or 100 Hz. You can also uncheck the option, Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Then click Apply and OK. Solution 4. Still in the sound settings, go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set Spatial Sound to Off, then click Apply and OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to finish. Solution 6. Back in Device Manager, click Update Driver again. This time, select Browse My Computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your audio driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish. Now restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. GPU drivers can sometimes affect game audio. Solution 8. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open it. Go to the Driver tab and click Search for Updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Now launch Where Winds Meet and check your sound. You now know 8 proven fixes to solve sound problems in Where Winds Meet on PC. Try them in order, and your game audio should be restored. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you need help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.